Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am, Professor Dr. Andri Sumitra MA, and today we are going to discuss doctoral dissertation, and these videos are serious in understanding doctoral dissertation in the Faculty of Islamic Economics and Business, Universitas Islam Negeri Sumatera Utara, Medan, Indonesia. Okay, first we are going to learn about the definition and characteristics of a doctoral dissertation. These are the references we use in these slides. Okay, we begin with definition. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation is a formal academic document that presents the results of an original research project conducted by a doctoral candidate as part of their doctoral degree requirements. So, a doctoral dissertation typically consists of a comprehensive review of relevant literature, a detailed description of the research methodology, presentation and analysis of empirical findings, and a discussion of the implications of the research findings for theory, practice, or policy. Now, there are some characteristics of a doctoral dissertation. Yeah, first is originality. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation must make an original contribution to the field of study by addressing a research gap, yeah, challenging existing theories, or offering novel insights. So you, as doctoral candidate, should demonstrate your ability to generate new knowledge, yeah, through independent inquiry. So novelty is very urgent in your doctoral dissertation. Second, depth and scope. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation is typically a substantial and in-depth piece of work that delves deeply into a specific topic or research question. Yeah, so you should demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of the relevant literature, theories, methodologies, and empirical findings related to your research area. That rigor and methodology. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation should adhere to rigorous academic standards and employ appropriate research methodologies and analytical techniques. So you should demonstrate, yeah, your mastery of research methods, data collection procedures, and data analysis techniques relevant to your field of study. Fourth, critical analysis. A doctoral dissertation should critically evaluate existing literature, theories, and empirical research findings, highlighting strengths, yeah, weaknesses, and gaps in knowledge. So you should demonstrate your ability to engage with scholarly debates, yeah, evaluate evidence, and formulate well-supported arguments. Fifth, clarity and coherence. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation should be well organized, yeah, clearly written, and logically structured. It should present complex ideas, yeah, arguments, and findings in a coherent and accessible manner with appropriate use of headings, subheadings, and transitions to guide the reader through the document. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the differences, yeah, between undergraduate thesis, master's thesis or magister thesis, and doctoral dissertation. Yeah, here are some references we use at these slides. Okay, what are the differences? Yeah, for undergraduate thesis, yeah, it is a research project completed by students pursuing their bachelor's degree, and it typically involves an in-depth investigation of a specific topic or question under the guidance of faculty, yeah, advisor. What are the characteristics for undergraduate thesis? For the scope, yeah, undergraduate thesis is generally narrower and more focused compared to master's or doctoral level research. While in-depth undergraduate thesis requires thorough research and analysis, but it may not delve as deeply into complex theoretical framework as advanced methodological as graduate level research. Yeah. And how about the duration? Yeah, undergraduate theses are typically completed within one academic year or semester. Yeah, although the timelines may vary, yeah, depending on program requirements. So, example, yeah, in economics and business for undergraduate thesis. An undergraduate thesis in economics might investigate the impact of minimum wage laws on employment rates among low-skilled workers in a specific industry or region. The student could analyze existing literature, collect and analyze data from government sources or surveys, and draw conclusions based on empirical findings. All right. Now we go to the next master's thesis or magister thesis. Yeah. It is a research project completed by students pursuing a master's degree. Yeah. It represents a significant component of the master's program and demonstrates the student's ability to conduct independent research at an advanced level. There are some characteristics of master's thesis. In depth and breadth, yeah, master's theses are expected to demonstrate a deeper understanding of the subject matter and a broader synthesis of existing literature compared to undergraduate thesis. Originality is also urgent, yeah, in thesis. Master's thesis may involve original research. Yeah, they often build upon existing theories or methodologies rather than making entirely novel contributions. Yeah, rigor. Yeah, master thesis require a high level of methodological rigor, including the use of appropriate research designs, data collection methods, and analytical techniques. What about contribution? Yeah, master thesis contribute to the scholarly discourse in the field by addressing research gaps, offering new insights, or proposing practical solutions to relevant problem. Yeah. Uh, e- Thesis example in economics and business. Yeah. A master thesis in business administration might examine the effectiveness of strategic management practices in enhancing organizational performance. Yeah. The student could conduct a comprehensive literature review, design and implement a survey or case study, and analyze data to evaluate the impact of strategic management initiatives on key performance indicators. Okay, the last, now we go to the characteristic of doctoral dissertation. Yeah, so it is a comprehensive research project completed by students pursuing a doctoral degree, PhD, DBA, and etc. It represents the culmination of the doctoral program and contributes original knowledge to the field. So there are some characteristics of doctoral dissertation. First, of course, original contribution. Yeah, doctoral dissertations must make an original and significant contribution to the body of knowledge in the field. They often involve innovative research methodologies, theoretical framework, or empirical findings that advance scholarly understanding. Second, extensive research. Yeah, doctoral dissertations require extensive research and scholarship, including a thorough review of existing literature, rigorous data collection and analysis, and critical synthesis of findings. Third, independence. Yeah, doctoral students receive guidance and support from faculty advisors. Yeah, but they are expected to demonstrate a high level of independence and autonomy in conceptualizing, designing, and executing their research projects. Fourth, rigorous defense. Yeah, doctoral candidates defend their dissertations before a committee of faculty members and experts in the field who evaluate the quality, significance, and contribution of the research. Yeah, a doctoral dissertation example in economics, yeah, might explore the determinants of economic growth in emerging markets, yeah, employing advanced econometric techniques to analyze large-scale data sets and developing new theoretical frameworks to explain empirical patterns. Okay, there are some example of dissertation. Yeah, we can take economics dissertation example. Yeah, a doctoral student in economics may conduct research on the impact of government policies on economic growth. Yeah, this dissertation could analyze quantitative data on GDP growth rates, inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policy measures to assess the effectiveness of government interventions in stimulating economic development. While in business dissertation, we can take example, a doctoral student may investigate the relationship between corporate social responsibility or CSR practices and financial performance. Yeah, this dissertation could involve a mixed method study, yeah, combining quantitative analysis of financial data with qualitative interviews or case studies of companies to explore the mechanisms through which CSR initiatives influence profitability and long-term sustainability. Yeah, there are some types of dissertation. Yeah, these are some reference we use. Okay, first theoretical dissertation. Yeah, it is a constructed theoretical dissertation and explore theoretical dissertations. Yeah, in a constructed theoretical dissertation, the researchers develops a new theoretical framework or model to address a specific research problem or questions. Example, yeah, a doctoral dissertation in economics that proposed a new model to explain the relationship between inflation and economic growth based on theoretical constructs drawn from existing economic theory. Yeah. While explore theoretical dissertation involves a comprehensive review and analysis of existing theoretical frameworks or models to deepen understanding or propose refinements. Example, a dissertation in business management that critically evaluates, yeah, various leadership theories and explores their applicability in different organizational contexts. Second is practical dissertations. Yeah, there are two types of practical dissertation: constructed practical dissertation and explore practical dissertation. Yeah. In a constructed practical dissertation, the researcher develops and implements a new solution, intervention, or tool, yeah, aimed at addressing a real world problem or challenge. Example, yeah, a doctoral dissertation in marketing that contracts a new customer relationship management system tailored to the needs of small business and evaluate its effectiveness through field experiments. While an explore practical dissertation involves the empirical investigation and evaluation of existing practices, strategies, or intervention to assess their effectiveness or impact. For example, a dissertation in finance that explores the practical implications of corporate governance practices on firm performance through a series of case studies and quantitative analysis.